Welcome to the slop farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by making the area safe and visible. Turn off the machine and unplug it. Next, remove the presser foot and needle so nothing obstructs your view. Once done, open the throat plate or bobbin cover and examine the bobbin case. Identify whether it's a drop-in or front-loading shuttle. You want a clear path to the thread. That prevents snagging. Make sure you note the bobbin's orientation and any loose lint before moving to the next step. You'll now work methodically to free the thread. First, hold the top spool gently to relieve tension, then guide the tail back through the tension spring or slot. This releases trapped thread without breaking it. If the thread is tangled in the case, use tweezers or a thin seam ripper. Pry gently and lift the knot rather than yank. Once the thread clears, pull slowly in the direction the machine feeds. This prevents loops from forming. Keep steady pressure and check that the bobbin spins freely. Finish by replacing or rewinding the bobbin, then reassemble the cover, throat plate, needle, and presser foot. You should test stitch on scrap fabric to confirm smooth feeding. This ensures the thread path is correct and tension is balanced. If you see skipped stitches or continued jams, stop. Rethread both top and bobbin threads carefully and inspect for lint or bent needles. A key troubleshooting tip: if problems persist, check that the bobbin is seated correctly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.